Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you find the Discord ID. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to find the Discord ID, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you will get to see this U icon, which is your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap there and go to gear icon into the top right corner. And from there, you will get the option of advanced. If you scroll down a bit into the app settings, tap to advanced option and then enable this developer mode at the very top. After enabling developer mode from the setting, you have to go back to the page where you have the person for which you want to find the Discord ID or yourself. For example, in order to find the ID, just simply go to the profile and then it will show the members. Just simply select the profile for which you want to find the ID. And after selecting the profile, tap to these three dots into the top right side. Tap there and then as you can see here, you will get the option of copy user ID. Tap to that and the user ID will successfully be copied into your clipboard. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.